Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ridenexus and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today we are looking at a breathtaking vision of the Hyundai Sonata N Line. This isn't your average sedan. It's a wide-body masterpiece that blends Korean engineering with aggressive street aesthetics. The first thing you notice is the stance. Look at those bolted-on wide-body fenders. They give the car a muscular, planted look. Combined with the slammed air ride suspension, the Sonata looks ready for the track. Filling those massive arches are deep dish, multi-spoke alloy wheels finished in a matte gunmetal gray. The fitment is perfect, tucked just under the lips of the fenders for that clean, stanced finish. Moving to the rear, the signature LED light bar spans the entire width, glowing brilliantly against the black paint. Below it, the aggressive rear diffuser houses quad exhaust tips, hinting at the turbocharged power under the hood. Under the hood, the N Line typically features a 2.5L turbocharged engine, producing 290 horsepower. But with a custom build like this, you'd expect aftermarket tuning to push that number well over 350 horses. From the sleek roofline to the aggressive aero kit, this concept proves that the Sonata can be a true head-turner. What do you think of this wide-body look? Let us know in